Ever wondered why hotel breakfast omelets are so soft, silky, and luxurious? Today, I'll show you the simple 5-star hotel method. No fancy tools, no complicated steps, just technique. That's it. 5-star omelets don't rely on ingredients, they rely on control. Crack your eggs into a bowl. Add a small pinch of salt before cooking. Whisk gently. We're not adding air, just blending the whites and yolks smoothly. Heat a nonstick pan on medium-low. Add butter and let it melt, not brown. If the butter sizzles aggressively, the pan is too hot. Pour in the eggs. Immediately stir gently, scraping the bottom, just like a hotel chef. The eggs should look soft and slightly runny, that's perfect. Add your filling, keep it minimal. This is an omelet, not a sandwich. Tilt the pan, gently roll, and let gravity do the work. Always plate seam side down. That's how hotels keep the omelet perfectly shaped. Soft, silky, no browning. This is how 5-star hotels do breakfast. If this helped you upgrade your mornings, like, subscribe, and share. Tomorrow's breakfast can be 5-star too.